Hello, beautiful beings. My name is Sade, and I am here to guide you through yet again another sound breathing purification technique. A brief introduction into what sound breathing is for anyone who is new. Sound breathing is a way to release any extra energy, emotion, tension, anything that we might be holding onto in the body through a vibration using our voice. Each specific sound will focus on a certain area in the body, and each sound will help to activate that center and space to release the energy in that space. So, for today, we will focus on the heart space, and the sound that we will make will be to help release any worry or anxiety that we might be holding on to in the body that prevents us from really moving and expanding from the heart. The heart brings joy, it brings love, compassion, and just a zest for life. When we hold on to fear and anxiety and worry, we restrict the heart and we're unable to allow joy and peace into our life. So come to a nice seated position. And once you're there, I invite you to gently close your eyes or bring it to a slight tilt. Immediately begin to focus in on your breathing, gently bringing yourself to the internal body. Let's take this first collective breath together. Exhale through the mouth, release everything out, just let it go. And now through the nose, take a deep inhale. Feel the breath circulate in and down all the way to the belly. And through the mouth, exhale, release it out. And immediately focus your awareness and attention on the heart. I want you to imagine a green light beaming from your heart space through the heart, accessing the heart. And the sound that we will make is you. Why you? We will make this sound 2 times together, long and loud. Deep inhale through the nose to begin. You. Again, deep inhale through the nose, allowing the vibration to circulate from the heart. You. And when you're finished, gently return yourself back to normal breathing, watching all of the anxiety, all of the fear and worry leave the body through that vibration. And feeling that lightness and emptiness now in the heart space, which can allow you to open up to the abundant possibilities of life without fear, without worry. And gently, when you're ready, you can return yourself back into your space. Thank you so much for joining me for our sound purification, focusing on the heart. feel free to join me for our next one where we will focus on our throat space. My name is Sade, and thank you always.